Hi, my name's James Rhodes. I'm the National Account Manager at Thermotech Enterprises. I started with the company in 1987. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the factory and point out some details about our product reliability and how we manufacture it. This is the largest winding table in North America. This particular winding table can make a wheel up to 20 feet in diameter. Basically, all winding tables work the same way. You corrugate one piece of aluminum foil and then you glue it up to another one. That happens in these corrugating gears right there. This particular area is set up to wind two different size wheels. We have a small table and a large table. It was custom designed by Christer Erickson, the president of the company, and it's very effective at winding both enthalpy and sensible heat wheels. For the enthalpy wheel, we use a aluminum foil that's got a desiccant coating. For our sensible wheels, the ones that look gold, that's just a epoxy coated aluminum. This is a TF474. It's a 12-foot thermal wheel. It's the largest wheel we can ship in one piece. Anything larger, we split the casing right here, build the wheel in the field. It's an amazing piece of equipment. We're very proud of it. I can spin the wheel with one hand. That's how well balanced it is. One of the unique features of the thermal wheel is we use the weight of the motor to tension the belt. These are standard V-belts you can get off the shelf at Gates, any supply house. Makes it easy for maintenance. This is one of our larger casings. This would be for a 20-foot wheel. This is only half the casing right here. Behind it is the other half. Out in the field, they're going to join these two casings together. Then we're going to load the media inside it. This is for a 1528, a 20-foot wheel. We bring in our raw material, steel, aluminum. Everything's manufactured right in this factory. It's American made. These are custom extrusions. We cut them on these two saws, and then we machine everything right here in this factory. This is where we weld our casings. Every casing is handmade by our technicians right here on the shop floor. One of the most important features of our hub design is that we machine a shoulder right here that the bearing sits against, abuts to, such that if the bearing failed, the hub cannot move. So we can't have a catastrophic failure even if our bearing failed. The shaft is machined to the bearing manufacturer's tolerance. Actually, we machine every part for a thermal wheel right in this factory from the ground up. We start with raw steel. It's machined by our machinists. Once again, it's totally American made right here in this factory. This is one of our primary spokes. The mass right here in the I-beam is what makes thermal wheels so reliable. This will not bend, it will not deflect. This is our rim, and this is the patented rim connector system. By utilizing this, we're able to put times 10 more compression on the media in a thermal wheel. This is the media processing area. Every piece of media that we make is cut twice, not once. First we cut the raw pieces out, then we machine every one of them to our precise specifications so it fits perfectly inside our rotor. We specifically machine these grooves into each piece of media so that it fits perfectly in the rotor. Once again, this is all about reliability. There is no flex in the rotor, and this is the area where it's machined so it fits in the rotor and you don't have any media movement. It's the reason why most wheels fail, ours don't. After the media is processed, it's painted with an anti-corrosion coating. We can do it in a number of different colors based on the customer's desires. This is our TC product line, and every wheel we make, we check the flatness of the wheel with a micrometer to make sure it meets our specifications. We exclusively use tapered roller bearings for the heat wheels. The reason why is they're better at handling the forces involved with the stresses put by the air going through the wheel. The seal material we use is a low bypass labyrinth seal. It's designed to keep air from going by it. It's set about a 32nd of an inch away from the wheel. The air, as it passes by, generates eddy currents. The eddy currents block the air from moving by it. Actually, the more powerful the airstream is, the better the seal works. Unlike other manufacturers who use a brush seal which gets blown out of the way, ours becomes more effective as the airflow increases. And this media is machined to fit into the spoke system that will not deflect, and we don't need to use any glue, no silicone. And it's guaranteed for 10 years.